Alright guys, well it's finally the day to get started on the Eclipse. I kind of figured out what I want to do for parts. It took a lot of research, and I know there's so much goes back and forth about the 6-bolt, 7-bolt stuff. This is the 7-bolt engine, so I'm just gonna run the 7-bolt till, if so happens, if it goes. I thought about doing pistons and the crank setup, stroking it out, all that stuff. But I just don't feel like putting that kind of money into it yet, so I'm going to focus on the top end and then clean everything up really good. So I'm going to get started ripping all this stuff apart and yeah, go from there. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with, I'm going to take apart basically the entire intake system, the cooling system, and then I'm going to start digging into the head. I've been back and forth about AC. I usually don't run it in my cars just because I love the sound of engines more than, I like rolling my windows up. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about that one. I might take it out, might not. I wouldn't be taking it out for horsepower purposes. It's like not even worth it for that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started with that, and then we'll get into the heavier stuff. Actually, I have Matt here with me today. Should have been here yesterday, but he abandoned me. So now we can both get some shit done, right, Matt?
You betcha, buds.
Oh,
Shit.
singing channel. Okay. Let's Alright, so what I'm gonna do with this guy, see, at the end of our wiring harness here, I got this magoo, this McGee down here, and this little tiny medulla right there. So that's where those are, so don't forget those. And then, oh my goodness! We got this guy, and then that should all be pretty much it. Hey, okay. For my own reference. Oh, this is one of those fucking wire ones. Every type of wiring harness on this car, literally every type. Like, you have to go to each one and just figure out how do you undo it. These ones are my most hated of all of them. 'Cause you gotta like press this stupid wire out of there, and then yeah, cool. Need some long extension for that one. Unless I just take this one off right here. You know what it's time for, Matt?
A beer?
We need some of those too. Time to take this guy off here.
Yeah.
I like this flow here though.
It is. That's...
Man, that is how something flows. That's like perfect airflow.
Took a beating.
Okay, so how much money do you want to put on these bolts snapping? Like that one or this one?
Oh, they'll be good.
They'll be good?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, they'll be good.
I bet you $50.
Yeah?
$50 one of these snaps. Holy shit. Way bigger than that. Oh, that's one. Alright. So far I owe you $50. You know you're trying hard when you make those elephant sounds. Ah! Holy shit. It's one of those, you're gonna lose the fucking bits. I need like, oh, she's getting tight again. Might break her. Ah, shit, it's feeling like she's gonna snap. Oh yeah. Definitely.
The old WD.
Actually, you know what? Yes, you're right. I'll at least give you that advantage too.
The size of that belt, like, that's huge.
Huge? Yeah, she's a big one.
That's a 2-rib.
Matt, don't. Okay, so what's your opinion? I was talking about the AC because I was thinking about removing it because I never use it. But is it worth it? I said not for horsepower gain because it's like 5 to 10 horsepower. Would you take it out?
The AC?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, because then you have the potential of AC in your car still if you leave it in there.
Yeah.
But at the same time.
It's just more shit in your engine bay and just more of a cluster. Fuck. So.
It's true. It's true.
I would probably just leave it out, but.
Alright. Just getting a second opinion here. Oh man, it's gonna go snap bam and I'll have fucking stitches today.
Yeah, I did the old knuckle buster on the car the other day. You want trade or? Sure.
Alright.
I'll give it a swirl.
Okay, give her a swirl. That's gonna swirl her. Oh no! She snapped, bud.
Oh, it did.
Oh, perfect. You owe me $50. Nice.
Are we going per bolt or
per bolt? No, we'll cut it at 50. Damn. And of course, I went into the primordial ooze for the Ninja Turtles. That's okay. Well, that's off. Technically. So now we just gotta get those ones back there.
Oh.
This is the DSM channel now. They're not interested in your Mustang. Maybe we should talk about the Mustang though. You probably don't want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it. I'm
upset with it right now.
yeah, anybody want to buy Mustang?
Do you want to start the comments? I'll start the comments right now. If Matt were to sell his, or whatever, sell his Mustang, what should he purchase? Okay, so we're looking for daily driver track car
that hauls ass that you can actually work on. Unless you like this new age bullshit with all the tinkering and fucking around.
Well, I do like the Mustang. I like the car.
It's a nice car. I'm not saying it's a nice car. I'm just saying it's been a pain in the friggin' ass, though.
It has been.
For sure.
So if I was to get... That's nice.
That's just... Yes.
If I was to get an import, you know I've been saying RX-7 the whole time.
That's a respectable, very respectable car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to do out an RX-7.
That'd be sweet. Do you think we need a new gasket?
Maybe. That's where you're losing all your boost.
Oh shit! Right out the exhaust. Oh man, I'm totally gonna have to get a new exhaust. That sucks. I didn't want to.
Oh, it's only a 2.5.
Yeah, we gotta upsize it. Anyway.
it.
I might have to
So
snip that off.
okay, so then what you were saying is, so basically people comment on what either trade the Mustang in for something,
I just want to see what people will buy.
It's
because you'd be left with what? Well, okay, let's say.
Because I'm a domestic guy.
Okay, if you're a domestic guy.
But if the right RX-7 came up, I would definitely do an RX-7 out.
Okay.
But domestic, I'm all about the domestic. I've always been a domestic guy.
That's kind of that's the problem.
So
nobody should be a domestic guy.
So I've been bugging Ryan saying, "Oh, I should trade in and get a Hellcat." But it's more of a straight line car, and we do more of the track stuff.
Oh yeah.
We don't just do straight line.
No, straight line's boring.
Yeah. Now the Camaro, the ZL1, that's a track car. Expensive,
Yeah.
but
I think this is like mechanics yoga, you get into these positions where you're
I'm doing like one of those fucking bend over magoos or whatever. Get the I don't know what it's called. My wife would know what it's called. That's the leaning dawn sunrise on the eastern coast or something. Okay, so that's all it takes to get this intake manifold out of here. You just gotta remove a whole bunch of shit.
not bad.
Oh, I can't wait. Oh, that's the last bolt, so she's gonna be a little sticky. Can't wait to do these brakes though. Get those done.
Yeah, these are looking nice.
Nice.
Look at that. What do you think about those brakes?
Pretty ugly. Excelsior. Okay.
Okay, oh look at
Oh, she's already off there, hey?
coming apart. There it is.
Oh yeah, that's her. Now getting her out of their issues. I think I might have to take these out actually.
Oh, those have the washers on them too,
And the old grommets too. Don't want to lose those.
Hey,
Yeah.
don't lose them.
No. Think any of these spark plugs are broken?
No, just in the Ford. They break in the Ford.
Oh man. Gotta stop making fun of your car.
Yeah,
It's gonna start hurting after a while.
really do. That's probably why it's been, it's like, oh, you make fun of me? All right, I'm gonna break down on you.
Frig you then.
Fuck you.
Just want to get past there, hey? What's she stuck on there, hey?
This here, just
Oh, we're also tied in there. I got my IMRC lockouts back here too, eh?
oh yeah. Yeah. I probably snapped one of the rods in mine. The IMRC.
Maybe. Is that zapped on there? No, she's just tight and on there. Oh, there's two of them. Man, I've never seen so many friggin' vacuum tubes in my life. There we go.
That's got her.
Okay. What am I stuck on now? Get off there. Okay. How does she look? Can't really see in there, but you know, it's a no flow go. Oof. Look at this conglomerate right here, eh? It's choked up pretty good.
Yeah. Changing that starter would be fun.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Wow.
It's pretty rough. So what do you think our horsepower goal should be?
On this?
Yeah.
I don't know, 500? 550?
Whew.
For the front wheels?
I was gonna say maybe crank. Because as far as I've researched on this car,
So 500 to the crank.
500 is like I don't know, that must be crank horsepower. They didn't specify, but usually 500 is about as far as you can go with these pistons and crank setup.
You know what they should do? When anybody says horsepower,
It should be wheel.
it should always be to the wheels.
Yeah.
Fuck this crank bullshit.
The base horsepower.
Because then people
yeah.
say, "Oh, you know, I got 800 horse." So, well, to
You
the
just
crank,
lost 150
to the
of it
wheels?
to the
What
wheels.
do you
Yeah.
get? You know, to the wheels is what matters.
Okay, we got a big hole in the car now. Nice. Nice.
Right on.
So. Well, Matt and I were just discussing AC, being as how the guy had no belt on here anyway. Just gonna take it out. Wasn't doing nothing before. Make some more room in the front here for the turbo setup we're gonna put on. So we're gonna pull that out. But I think I'll actually pull this off first, the turbo pipe.
It's a
And
pretty sweet turbo. That's huge.
dude, just massive. Yet it moves you pretty good.
And then look at all the space you'll have if you pull the AC.
Oh yeah, a lot more
Tons of
space. A lot more space. I'll take this guy out of here too. But let's get this up so I can. What the fuck is that?
Well, less work for us. Shit's just falling off the car now.
It's like a bushing of some sort. We just gotta unbolt. Man, there's some serious bolts in there.
I think, yeah, but you just have to unbolt these two.
Well, and this one, because it's hooked up to the
Oh,
catch there.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, you gotta do that one too.
That one too.
Or you could just do, yeah, I guess all three of those.
I'm still debating whether I want to keep this or not, because it looks pretty beat up.
Yeah,
I
or
mean,
just get a new one.
yeah.
Oh, we're gonna be trying for 500.
Oh, well, this is, I think this one, because it's like the thicker core, it's rated for, it's got to be at least fucking 500 horse. But
What do you think?
newer is
She
better.
look a little beat up. Yeah, she looks a little
haggard.
mangled.
it's on the 90 up there.
Yeah.
Here, can we yank it out of there still? Oh, there we go. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, yeah, baby. Nice. Pull your bolts back in.
For sale, intercooler.
Slightly used.
Slightly used. It'll look brand new soon.
Yeah. Okay.
This thing's starting to look like a piece of shit now.
See, this is like the chain link of zap straps. I'll just leave that for now. Man, like just no good way of like where's the clamps that you just clip this into, you know? Where? See, this is getting too clusterfucky.
This is getting to be a mess.
It's too clusterfucky here. I know the small one's in there somewhere, but I don't see her.
What is this? Who does this remind you of?
Well, this looks like Pat's bench. Got a heavy-duty mechanic buddy that works like that. That's okay, though. He still gets the job done. Very effective. Oh, shit. There's no way I'm getting on that one. This one came out no problem. Might have to actually go with the key. Whew.
What?
Oh, that's what went to the catch can.
Custom?
Yeah, probably.
So that went to the oil cash can?
Fashion like solely.
And I'm having issues with my shit?
Well, I think this car is definitely having its own issues. Oh yeah, that was loose as a caboose.
Loose as a caboose. So, where's your other turbo? On the table there still?
I think it is, yeah.
So, okay.
Oh, here, you wanna... Oh, I gotta unclip that, actually. Again, I'm just gonna throw these in here real quick, like. You know what? I think that's where our oil leak was coming from. Remember we were under the car and we thought there was an oil leak on the turbo?
Mm-hmm.
There's definitely an oil leak somewhere here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming from the turbo, it looks like. Yeah. It's like right,
See the...
right underneath here. Pretty sure that's it.
1,000 horse.
Yeah, I had the guys at Hypergear in Australia build that. Oh, have a look in there, bud. Like nasty, nasty.
What the? Look like somebody fucking
Threw up in there.
Up in there.
Oh, we'll let that drain out a bit here. Oh my god.
Man, that was going through your turbo.
Ugh. Oh, really? Yeah. This thing needs a good TLC. Okay, we just realized that we want to do a leak down test on this block before we get too carried away here. So we're going to pull these plugs. Oh, that's a good one.
Man, spark plugs do not need to go in that tight.
Ugh. I only have to slightly lean on them. Doom. Oh, yeah, she's pretty dirty and oily. So just before our leak down test, Matt discovered another little cool feature with this car.
It's the invisible dipstick.
Oh, you're just supposed to guess.
I'm supposed to guess what's on
Oh, yeah, I gotta
yard that out of there now and get a new one of these guys.
It's down there.
Oh.
So we've got a broken bolt.
So far, yeah.
We've got
A broken dipstick.
We got a bushing that came from somewhere.
Yeah, that fell off somewhere. But well, every single thing on this car has been zap strapped together so far.
Oh, and zap strap, yeah.
But yeah, I'm also missing a fuse cover. And well, we'll see what else happens here.
Yeah.
But let's find TDC here, man. You let me know when that thing gets to the tap.
It's project,
Baby.
You're going down. Go way down. Oh, down.
Still going down?
No, it's going back up.
See what we got here. Now, you want to hold that? I gotta crank this on. So she's so good that it went all the way back around. That's interesting. That's with the valve closed?
Valve's closed.
Okay, because now it's just running out of air again. Okay, so it's good. It's good. It just sounded, I think I just threw it in the hose. Number 3.
I want to make sure it's TDC.
TDC, that's good, yeah. Quality, efficiency. Great, boysy. See, now that's a bad sign. That's no good. Yeah, cylinder 3 is leaking pretty good. Shit.
Good to go?
Yep. You can tell right away, hey? Because when you turn that on and that thing has like no leak, it spins right around. But with that other one, it was sticking it high the whole time. So 4 is good. Oh fuck!
Get your magnet.
Get the magnet. Where's the one?
Well, now we're gonna have issues with cylinder 4. Got her.
Thank God.
Nice. She's coming off nice and easy.
Oh yeah. No problem. That does her. Oh! Oh! No!
Another malfunction. Everything's breaking today.
Oh my God! Oh yeah, that stand's no longer good.
You know, I was sitting there, I'm like, it seems really loose, like, for the last little bit. And then I guess that's why.
Away she goes. That's what you get for ordering it on Amazon.
So what are we doing here?
Well, okay. I made an executive decision to, because we did the leak down test, and number 3 was leaking pretty bad. Of course, it could be piston rings, it could be valves, you know. I don't know. It doesn't take me much to just decide to spend money on a bit of block work. So that's what I'm doing. So we're gonna pull everything right out of there. But of course I tried pulling the motor out without the tranny, which evidently you can't do. So now I'm taking the drive shafts out and doing it the hard way. Someone out there will say this is the easy way. Yeah. Okay, buds. Just gonna let this brake fluid drain out of there. Oh yeah, because we're gonna be doing a new brake kit as well.
I don't know. I think those brakes are pretty nice. Like,
If you want to put them on your
You
mountain bike, you can.
you got some stopping power with those.
Oh, buddy.
Like, what is that? An 8-inch rotor? You got the one piston calipers.
Dude. Well, I mean, we were gonna do drive shafts too, so, and the suspension we got to do.
What's the suspension? Teen, isn't it?
Yeah,
Or-
the adjustable.
Yeah.
It's the good stuff.
Nice.
But I just didn't want to.
That'll be the. Wow. Never mind.
Which means I'll probably have to get like a new camber kit and all that shit too, but.
See, once you start, it keeps going and
yeah.
going. Oh, now we need this. Oh shit. Oh, now we need this.
Yep. It's
And,
true.
And the money flows.
But you do it to yourself, so
That's right.
that's just the way she goes. So what am I doing?
But by the sounds of it, the Skyline's gonna be back here pretty quick.
They're
Making some pretty good progress.
they're just about ready to tune her. Well, the fuel system's done now finally, and they got the transmission back in, bolted up. Of course, Matt and I can't do any hard launches. Well, I can't do any hard launches for a while because I need the sequential transmission. I don't trust that gearbox, so maybe some second gear launches or something. Just some slow.
Some
roll.
good roll.
Yeah.
Some rolling ones, yeah.
But
So we got her.
Paw Patrol.
Teamwork here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Perfect. After I whacked my wrist once. Very nice, though. Very nice.
Sweet. Right on.
Okay.
What you got?
The future Eclipse driver right there.
Are you doing some work on the car?
Stuff is. This looks like it fits in here, babe. Look.
Nice.
Good job.
There we go. Wow. All right. Just give that guy a hold. Let me take these off. One arm.
No.
Oh shit.
No, you can put new ones in, right?
Well, yep. Rip the boot off.
Oh, dirty.
That's a lot of grease in there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's dripping. Is it? It's still not coming though? Oh, there, it's starting to go. There you go.
Oh, dirty.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this thing out so I can go home.
Gotta eat some food.
Gotta get some food. Okay, bring this down a bit more. Still good? Yep, still good. I'll just hold on. Basically, it's gonna make a mess.
Yeah.
Like, where do I put it?
Yeah, I think that's the worst spot there. No, I just got a big mess to clean up later.
Go. There we go. Oh, okay. There, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold this.
Okay.
And if you
Okay. I think she's good there. Man. God damn. That was a chore.
Nice pan out.
Oh.
What a job. That was pretty good. It wasn't bad.
Honestly, it wasn't terrible.
A bit of pissing around, but
Bit of pissing around, and definitely not the way to take out drive axles.
no.
But you know, we
You're putting in new ones.
exactly. We ripped them out because I'm putting new ones in. But yeah. Now the work begins. I don't know what that was, but apparently it wasn't work. But I'm actually pretty excited. I kind of figured out what I want to do as far as the piston and crank setup and all that. Talking to a supplier right now. Hopefully I can get those here sooner than later, and then we'll get the block board out. I still got to take all this apart, get the heads off, and take these bella housing bolts out so I can actually... I guess I can do that now. I already did it once, and then put it all back together. Man. But got our suspension is AWOL, and the new stuff is right there. Teen, put those in. Brake kit. Some stainless steel brake lines, and yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think, Matt?
It's coming together.
It's a good thing Matt came over today. Yeah, it's coming apart. That's a good one. Yeah. Stoked though.
Yeah, engine's out.
Now it's time to clean up some frickin' tools. This is
A mess.
dude. Come on. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video here because it's already long enough. So what I'm going to do on the next video, I'm going to take the heads off this thing, get the tranny off, and then at that point I'm hoping that all the new parts are going to be here. So I've ordered a whole block setup, crank, pistons, new rods, head gasket, oil pump, water pump, gasket kits, everything. Pretty much everything. I just bit the bullet and figured I'd just go all out basically. So I've talked to a guy about machining the block already, and then doing the head work. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise with what exactly I've ordered yet, but I'm just gonna say I'm a fan of Brian Crower, and I pretty much did my whole Skyline setup on Crower parts, it's pushing 800 horsepower and clean as clean can be. So really happy with those guys. But yeah, so I'm excited to dig into this. This is a different kind of project for me. I've never gone this far with a 4-banger before, so we'll see what we can do with this thing. And there's lots of work to still be done, but I'll catch you when a nice shipment of parts show up at the door.